Hello everyone, welcome to your very first class of Python programming. I'm super excited to have you all here, and trust me, you are going to love Python. It is simple and it is powerful. It is used to literally everywhere, from Instagram to artificial intelligence. So yes, let's dive in. First, you have to understand that what is Python exactly. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Python? First of all, you will understand the definition of Python. Yes, Python is high level general purpose programming language. As you can see over the screen that Python is high level general purpose programming language. It was created by a man named Guido van Rossum and it was released in 1991. And guess what? He named it after the comedy show Monty Python's Flying Circus, not the snake. So yes, Python is fun from the name itself. So you will get fun when you will learn this. Okay guys, now moving to the next. And yes, Python is used in so many industries. So first you can understand that Python is used in web development like YouTube and Instagram. Python is used in data science like analyzing big data at Netflix. Python is used in machine learning and AI. Python is also used for automation like bots and scripts. It is also used for game development and even in space tech like NASA uses it. Okay. And if we talk about the key features of Python, then you can see over the screen when my cursor moving here and there around the key features that open source and free to use. Python is open source and free to use. It is interpreted, means no need to compile, and Python is cross platform. So yes, you can use this Python anywhere, like any operating system, on any operating system like on Windows, Mac and Linux. And it has a large standard library. It support multiple paradigms like procedural, object oriented and functional. It is used in web development, data science, AI, machine learning, automation, software development, etc. So who uses Python? Your first question is that who uses Python? Yes, tech companies like Google, Facebook, Netflix, NASA, etc. are using the Python, and it is very popular in academic and research. Okay. So whether you want to build a website, analyze data or make a robot smart, Python is your friend. So yes, do friendship with Python. It will help you to understand and it will help you to easy code. Now you will get to know that the setting up of Python environment. Alright, before we can write any Python code, we need to set up. Let me show you 3 easy options to start coding in Python. First option is Anaconda. Yes, Anaconda, that is recommended for data science and machine learning. So if you are into data science, this is where the best platform. Anaconda comes with Python, Jupyter Notebook, Spider and tons of libraries built in. So just go to anaconda.com and download it. Once installed, open Jupyter Notebook, and it is like a digital notebook where you can write code and see the results instantly. Okay, I can show you that I am also using the Jupyter Notebook. First, how can you use Jupyter Notebook? So as I told you that you can first of all you have to download the Anaconda. And how you can download the Anaconda? So just go to anaconda.com on Google, right? And you can write anaconda.com, and from where you can download the Anaconda. When you download the Anaconda, then you get the option here. You have to open the Anaconda navigator, and then you get the option here, Jupyter Notebook. Yes, sorry, Jupyter Notebook. So you have to launch here from here. I hope you all can see my cursor. Launch, right? My cursor is on launch. So you can launch the Jupyter Notebook from here, and after that you will get the interface of Jupyter Notebook. I can show you the Jupyter Notebook interface. This is the this is the interface of Jupyter Notebook that you will get after launching the Jupyter Notebook, right? And where I have create a file which is of Python, where I have discussed the module 1 and 2. Yes, I will discuss it later. First of all, I have just shown you the interface of Jupyter Notebook, right? And where I was, yes. So yes, I have shown you the first option. The second option is Jupyter Notebook. Yes, In Anaconda you can launch the Jupyter notebook, and the second option of Jupyter notebook, how you can use it. So even without Anaconda you can use this. Just open your terminal or command prompt, right, and type pip install notebook and Jupyter notebook. Here the option is, and the third option is PyCharm, that is recommended for app development and projects. So yes, where I was, if you want to if you want a full ID like integrated development environment, so go for PyCharm. It is like MS Word for Python, smart, organized and helpful. So how you can download the PyCharm? So you can download the PyCharm from jetbrains.com PyCharm. You have to write on Google that jetbrains.com PyCharm, okay, and use the community version. It is very free. It is free, so you can use it. And now we will understanding of basic syntax, variables and data types in Python. So now comes the fun part, writing your first program code. This is something that is related to Python syntax. So first of all, Python syntax. Python is known for its clean and readable syntax. No semicolons, no curly brackets. So here is an example that you can see over the screen. That is, if 5 is greater than 3, then print 5 is greater than 3. Okay, you can write this code in Jupyter notebook and any of the software that you are using right now, but I am writing this code in Jupyter notebook, right? So yes, I am just showing you here module and 2. Yes, so where I have written that if 5 is greater than 3, then print 5 is greater than 3, and here you can see the output 5 is greater than 3. You are thinking that it has already run, so I am just showing you it can run again. Here you can just paste it. First of all, you have to copy from module and then you can paste it here, and you can write also. It is your choice, whatever you want you can write, then you can write, and you want to copy, then it also save the time. And here in a smart world we can save our time, is very important. Okay, so here I have pasted it and now I will run it. So yes, here is the option to run this cell. You can observe my cursor, right guys? So yes, wherever my cursor is you can run from here. Okay, so I have just clicked it and you can see the answer, you can see the output, 5 is greater than 3. So that's how code can run in Python. This is very basic code that I have shown you how it can run. Okay, now moving back to theory part. Yes, so I have shown you that how the basic syntax of Python program is running right now. And when you have run this code, then you have seen any colon and any indentation. Yes, you have seen the colon is here and indentation. This is the space, this is called indentation. So automatically indentation is available there when you write the code. Okay, and indentation plays a very important role, so you have to take care of it. And that's how Python knows what is inside a block. It is very neat. Okay, now I will explain the variables in Python. Variables is what? Actually, variable is a container. Variables are like the containers that store data. This is a very basic definition that you should know. Wherever you go for any interview, wherever you just for Viva purpose, you can just understand and remember this definition, that variables are like containers that store data, and no need to declare data types when you in Python. There is no need to declare the data types when you write the variable. Okay, just assign a value using equal to. Okay, and this is the code that name equal to Shalini, age equal to 22 and pi equal to 3.14. This will not run because here we have not given the function, we have not applied the function Python. This is only the code syntax that you can understand, that age is here variable in which I have assigned the value 22, name is here variable in which I have assigned the value Shalini. Yes, and pi is also a variable where we have assigned the value, that is 3.14. If you want to run, then you have to write print and under the print brackets you can write the variable name, then you can see the output. So yes, you do not write to actually you do not to write in a string any type of declaration of variables data types. Okay, python understand automatically, and that's called dynamic typing. इसको हम dynamic typing बोलते हैं. Now we will understand the data types. So yes, let's explore the common ones. Data types. Type an example. Int type, it means that integer type. Whatever the number is called integer. Float means decimal. If there is a decimal in number, then it goes in float data type. And if Shalini, it means that it is a text. Okay, it is a whole word, so it goes in the string data type, str. If true and false is like that, then it goes under the boolean. And list marks big brackets 90 and 30. Okay, this type of things goes under list. Tuple, like t equal to only small brackets is here, you can say that. We can also not a big bracket, we can also say it like it is a square bracket. So yes, if there anything in a square bracket, then you can say that it is in list. It is of list data type. If there is any small bracket, then you can say that it is in tuple. And if there is anything in parenthesis, then you can say that this is dictionary data type. Okay, so yes, as you can see in dictionary, that info is our variable name, and here we can assign these types of values in info variable, and then we can print the info and we can get the output. Okay, so okay class, open your Jupyter notebook or PyCharm. Let's write our first few lines of Python together. You can write the name equal to Shalini, is 22, and you can print the hello, my name is. So yes, you can write this and print I am in double quote, and then you can print the is. Okay, you can run this code. You can run any type of code. This is code you can also run here. I have gone, yes, this code you can run. Okay, in module second I will explain more about the code and data types etc. Okay, so now I am wrapping the session today, and what we have learned today: Python is beginner friendly and superpower. We can use Anaconda, Jupyter or PyCharm to run Python. Python use indentation, not braces. And we have learned how to create variables and exploit key data types, right? So yes, I'm just ending the session here. Bye bye, take care guys.